Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this moving album video edit on CapCut PC. So select a phone PNG, and I'm just going to add in a video on top of that, and I'm also going to adjust it so that it fits the whole video. So let's just zoom out and resize it till the end of the video, sort of. Okay, once that is sized, select your video, crop it to a 1:1 ratio, and adjust it like so. Just move it up just a little bit, and then I'm going to add in a background, a home screen background. You can choose any background you want, and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Go to mask and then select rectangle, and I'm just going to adjust the home screen so it fits the phone. So below the video I also want to add in a shadow, so I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to add it on top of it. And I'm going to again use the mask tool, like so. Just feather it out, and I'm going to resize it just a little bit. Okay, then you're going to go to text, and you're going to select text template here, and you're going to select message, and you're going to choose this one. I'm also going to adjust the background a little bit so it's darker so you guys can see the text a bit better. So on this one I'm going to adjust it till the end of the video. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller and put it down here, and I'm going to change the text here and also the artist. Sorry. And you can also change the font and the color of the text if you'd like, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And I might adjust the actually that's fine. Okay, now once you're done with that, I'm going to add a background to this blank space here. So select it, go to canvas, select either blur, color, or style. I'm just going to choose color for mine, and I'm going to choose this one. And that is basically it. Really super simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!